Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a cornmeal pudding. Okay, cornmeal pudding. I'm gonna try my utmost best to get the soft version of it on top. Okay, I have half cup of flour, sieve flour, a cup and a half sugar, coconut milk, cinnamon, vanilla, rose water, almond, a teaspoon and a half of salt, cup of raisin, 2.5 cups of cornmeal, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, and some butter, say 3/4 stick butter. Alright. So let's get started. Here I have dissolved the coconut milk and I'm going to add this to the fire. I'm going to add the butter to it to dissolve in it. Okay, and the sugar. Alright. So I'm not going to make it boil. I'm just going to let these butter and the sugar dissolve in it. Alright. I'm just going to let the butter and the sugar dissolve. Butter, guys, the butter and then the sugar, just going to let them dissolve in it. All right, and the vanilla is 1 teaspoon. Okay, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. All right, I'm just gonna let them dissolve in this. When it is dissolved, I'll be back with the rest of the preparation. This is all dissolved now, the butter, the sugar in the milk. So I'm gonna allow this to cool before using it. Alright, so there you go. I'm gonna be combining my flour, all the dry ingredients now. My flour, my cornmeal, my cinnamon, my nutmeg, all the dry ingredients I'm gonna combine now. Alright. Okay. All the dry ingredients I'm combining. And nutmeg. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Dry ingredients. I'm gonna combine them. It looks like they're combined. No, I have my salt here. Yes. Okay. Properly combine them. Ooh, this dry ingredients smell so nice. Yeah, I wonder what the taste is gonna be like. Ooh. Okay, the liquid a little by little and then mix again. So I'm gonna mix it. Some more liquid. Mix it. There should be no lump when you're finished. Mix it until it's smooth. This looks like it needs a bit more liquid, so let's pour some more liquid. Okay. It's not to be too dry and not to be too soft. Alright, this This is my mixture for my cornmeal pudding, Jamaican cornmeal pudding. That's my mixture, nice and smooth. Right, so I'm gonna get the oven ready now. Right, I'm gonna get the oven ready at 350 degrees. Okay, here guys, I'm gonna grease my baking tin. This is my baking tin. I'm gonna grease it. Okay, baking tin is now greased. Da-da-da, da-da-da. I'm waiting. Oven is now set. Just waiting on it to be warmed up. Then add my pudding. Okay. In the meantime, I'm gonna be pouring out my liquid into my baking tin. Okay. My raisin is still not gone into the mixture as yet. I'm gonna show you why. Alright, have it guys. So I'm gonna be adding the raisin. I floured them because when you flour the raisin, it will let it scattered out in the pudding instead of just sinking to one place. So yes, that's what I did. Flour them so I have raisin to eat all over. If you're not a raisin lover, you can try another, maybe cherry, prune, whatever you like. Alright, my pudding is now in the oven. I'm gonna give it like roughly 45 minutes to bake. And then I'm gonna be, in order to get the soft top, I have to make another mixture to add to it at that time, and then put it back for it to finish up. Alright, I have some leftover liquid, so it's half a cup coconut milk, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, and quarter cup of sugar. So this is what I'm gonna use to put on top of the pudding when it's baked to a certain extent, and put it back and let it finish bake. Alright, I'm trying to get the soft side on it, soft up. So this is what you do. You make a different ingredients with some of milk, cinnamon, and a little sugar. Mix them together and add it to it after 45 minutes or when the pudding is almost set. Alright, here we go guys. This is the part where you take it out, take out the pudding, and then add the other liquid. Lord help me, this container look full already, so I'm gonna add the other liquid now. Guys, it's old and it looked like it could take some more. Not true. Yes, back. So I'm gonna wait, allow this to finish bake, and then you'll see my finished product. Okay, coming along guys. Look at it. It looks so beautiful. Oh my god, it's coming along. Wow. What you guys think? Wanna think? Where it look? How it look? You like it? Come on. Yes, man, it look good. Whoa. So I'm just waiting until that middle there is a little bit dry. I'm gonna test it now to see if it's ready. This looks ready guys. Not true. Look. Yes man. It's ready. Mm-hmm. It is done. Finished. I'm gonna plate please now. And you guys tell me what you think. First slice out. Tell me what you think, guys. This looks yummy, yummy. Tastes so delicious, guys. So the soft side. Let's take a bite and tell you how it tastes, guys. Mmm. Pudding, so delicious. Mmm. Thank you for watching, guys. It was a pleasure having you guys over here. Guys, I'm eating my pudding with rum and raisin ice cream. Look at it. So delicious. Yum, yum, yum. Real Jamaican cornmeal pudding. Yummy, yummy. Mmm. Pudding, so delicious. Mmm. Thank you for watching, guys. It was a pleasure having you guys over here.